Today we are learning about Indian festivals. Can you guess each festival from the clue? Which Indian festival is celebrated with diyas and fireworks? Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Thousands of clay oil lamps called diyas are lit to celebrate the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Which Indian festival is celebrated with colored powder and water? Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. People throw bright colored powder called gulal at each other to celebrate the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. Which Indian festival is celebrated with clay elephant god idol? Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrates the birthday of Lord Ganesha, the beloved elephant-headed god of wisdom and good beginnings. Giant colorful clay idols are worshipped for 10 days. Which Indian festival is celebrated with Garba dance and Dandiya sticks? Navratri. Navratri means 9 nights. People celebrate by performing the Garba and Dandiya Ras dances in colorful traditional clothes around a lit lamp for 9 joyful nights. Which Indian festival is celebrated with flower carpet and boat race? Onam. Onam is Kerala's most important harvest festival. People make beautiful flower carpets called Pookalam and watch the thrilling Vallam Kali snake boat races on the river. Which Indian festival is celebrated with sweet rice boiling over in clay pot? Pongal. Pongal is a 4-day harvest festival from Tamil Nadu. Families cook sweet rice in clay pots outdoors until it boils over, which brings good luck and abundance. Which Indian festival is celebrated with burning Ravana effigy with fireworks? Dashehra. Dashehra celebrates Lord Rama's victory over the demon king Ravana. Giant paper effigies of Ravana are filled with firecrackers and burned to show that good always wins over evil. Which Indian festival is celebrated with human pyramid to break dahi handi? Janmashtami. Janmashtami celebrates Lord Krishna's birthday at midnight. Young men form exciting human pyramids to break a clay pot of butter called dahi handi hung high above the ground. Which Indian festival is celebrated with tying Rakhi thread on brother's wrist? Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the special festival of sibling love. Sisters tie a colorful sacred thread called Rakhi on their brother's wrist, and brothers promise to always protect their sisters. Which Indian festival is celebrated with colorful kites filling the sky? Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is the kite festival. The sky turns colorful as thousands of kites fly from rooftops. People also share Til Gul sesame seed sweets and say, Til Gul Ghiya, God God Bola. Which Indian festival is celebrated with clay Durga idol in decorated pandal? Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the grandest festival of West Bengal. A beautiful clay idol of the 10-armed goddess Durga slaying the demon Mahishasura is worshipped for 5 festive days. Which Indian festival is celebrated with dancing around a bonfire? Lohari. Lohari is the bonfire festival of Punjab celebrated in January. Families dance around a big bonfire, throw popcorn and peanuts into the flames, and sing joyful folk songs together. Which Indian festival is celebrated with Sevaiya sweets and Eid prayers? Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr is celebrated at the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting. Families wear new clothes, offer special Eid prayers together, share delicious Sevaiya vermicelli sweets, and give gifts. Which Indian festival is celebrated with Bhangra dance at wheat harvest? Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the vibrant harvest festival of Punjab celebrated on April 13th. Farmers celebrate the golden wheat harvest by performing the energetic Bhangra and Gidda folk dances. Which Indian festival is celebrated with night prayers at Shiva Lingam? Mahashivratri. Mahashivaratri is the great night of Lord Shiva. Devotees stay awake all night, pour milk and water on the Shiva Lingam, offer bell leaves and flowers, and chant Om Namah Shivaya. Which Indian festival is celebrated with Bihu dance with dhol drums in Assam? Bihu. Bihu is the most joyful festival of Assam celebrated 3 times a year. Young women in traditional Mekhela Chador dance gracefully while men beat the energetic dhol drum. Which Indian festival is celebrated with yellow clothes for goddess Saraswati? Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami celebrates goddess Saraswati, the goddess of learning, music, and wisdom. Students place their books and musical instruments near her idol to receive blessings for their studies. Which Indian festival is celebrated with white lotus and Buddha's teachings? Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is the most sacred day for Buddhists celebrating the birth, enlightenment, and passing of Lord Buddha. People light candles, offer white lotus flowers, and follow the path of peace. Which Indian festival is celebrated with Nagar Kirtan and Golden Temple? Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti celebrates the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism. People participate in the Nagar Kirtan procession with music, prayers, and free langar meals for everyone. Which Indian festival is celebrated with Ugadi Pachdi with 6 tastes? Ugadi. Ugadi is the New Year festival of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. Families eat Ugadi Pachdi, a special dish with 6 tastes: sweet, sour, spicy, salty, bitter, and tangy, representing all emotions of life. Diwali, Holi, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Onam. Amazing! You learned about 20 Indian festivals today. India has so many wonderful festivals.
Thank you, friends. See you in the next video. Ask mom and dad to subscribe to Lachu Creations.